EUR USD forecast ready to rally US political mess, coronavirus, bounce at critical support pointing up analysis http://ntvforex.com news ID 8F427D84 2025 AM EUR USD has bounced off the lows amid mixed US data and political impasse. Updated coronavirus figures, fresh figures, and speculation ahead of the non-farm payrolls are in play. Tuesday's 4-hour chart is showing the currency pair bounced at critical support. After correcting with a fall of over 200 pips, EUR USD could be gearing for another move up and for good reasons. NBSP first and foremost, talks between Democrats and Republicans on the next relief package are stuck. Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi does not expect progress this week, and White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, a fiscal hawk, opposes surpassing $1 trillion in spending. NBSP federal unemployment benefits worth $600 week have expired last week, and they may already be dragging down consumption. Calculations show this top-up is worth more than 5% of Americans' disposable income, breaking out UI and other. The $600 add-on made up 5.2% of disposable income in June. Theta SA high percentage pic.twitter.com ZFYTJYE5 Wia and Elizabeth Conkle at AE Conkle July 31, 2020 The longer the impasse extends, the greater the damage to the U.S. economy, potentially prompting the Federal Reserve to act. For now, officials at the central bank are reluctant to act. Charles Evans, president of the Chicago branch of the Federal Reserve, said the ball is now in Congress court. Nevertheless, the pressure to add more monetary stimulus, such as pushing the yield curve lower, may grow. Depressed returns on U.S. debt may, in turn, weigh on the greenback. Another factor weighing on the dollar is data. While the ISM Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index beat expectations with 54.2 in July, the employment component remained well below 50, implying more firing in the industrial sector. Factory orders figures for June are awaited, while speculation ahead of Friday's non-farm payrolls is rising. NBSP U.S. manufacturing PMI rebounds to 16-month high in July. NBSP employment trails general improvement. The good news from America is the drop in new coronavirus statistics, yet that is likely due to the weekend effect. Tuesday's figures may continue showing a flattening of the cases curve, yet mortalities are set to bounce back above 1,000. NBSP in the old continent, several countries are experiencing flare-ups, but the situation seems under control. The highest number of new cases per 100,000 is in Spain, around 60, yet this is far from being concerning. The number of the unemployed surprisingly dropped by nearly 90,000 in the Eurozone's fourth largest economy in July. NBSP overall, the dollar has reasons to fall while Euro bulls seem to have little to worry about. EUR USD technical analysis Euro dollar has bounced off 1.17, a level that supported it also in late July and now turns into a double bottom. In addition, that level is where EUR USD launched it, back in 1999. While upside momentum on the 4-hour chart vanished, the currency pair swiftly recaptured the 50 simple moving average. NBSP EUR USD is battling 1.1780, a cap on the way up. It is followed by 1.1805, which had a similar roll last week. The higher levels to watch are 1.1850 and January 1909. Initial support is at 1.1735, where the 50 SMA hits the price, followed by 1.17 mentioned earlier. Further down, 1.1625 and 1.1540 await it. NBSP more NBSP where next for the dollar, stocks, and the U.S. economy after downbeat data and the Fed. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.